I'm gonna show you can make $1 million this year with dropshipping alone. And I know what you're thinking, just trust me and hear me out. So first thing I'm gonna do is sit on TikTok and search up viral products, things that have a cool wow factor, things that impress people and you can make cool videos about, and just search ones that already have a ton of views. Now, once you find a product you think is super killer, let's make a Shopify store for it, order that exact product ourselves for Amazon so we can film some video ads that point back to our Shopify store. And we're gonna do these ads on TikTok. Now that we have a store built up, we want to test a bunch of products that we see doing well on TikTok. These are some past winners. Now our main goal here is to test as many products as we need to until we find passive, consistent income. Then we want to start looking into hiring a 3PL company. They're also called dropshipping agents. You can just look them up on Google. So now that we have a winning product, we're consistently making money, it's time to reinvest into the brand and actually create a product that's what's called white labeled. So this is where we're gonna actually start paying for inventory, shipping it to the United States, and having our brand put on the product. We're gonna get custom packaging and all that stuff, and you can do it through 3PLs, third-party logistic companies. So now that we have a winning product, we've reinvested ourselves, created a real brand with custom packaging, custom name on the product. We also have USA fulfillment with like 2 to 5 day shipping. It's time to invest further and get an agency to help us out with scaling other platforms. First person you're gonna hire is a virtual assistant that's gonna handle all the management with fulfilling orders, answering support emails and all that. Next, you're gonna do the 3PL company that's gonna get inventory from China with your custom packaging on it into the warehouse. Then you want to hire someone to do your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads are also killer as well. Now let's talk some money. So let's say your brand has a $50 product and you're selling 250 of them a day through all of these marketing channels, which is very easy. That would be making you $12,500 revenue a day. Times that by 30 days, we're making $375K a month and 4.5 a year, but we're even going to take this one step further. Now here's the crazy part. If you're running a brand that's doing 4.5 million a year and you have custom packaging and shipping in the United States, these brands sell for 3 to 5 times their yearly revenue. That's a normal evaluation. You'd be looking at $13.5 to $22.5 million if you sold that brand.